Stock futures showed positive movement overnight. The S&P 500 futures edged up nearly 0.2%. Nasdaq 100 futures saw a slightly stronger gain, adding 0.3%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average futures also climbed, adding 72 points, which translates to almost 0.2%. However, the regular trading session told a different story. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped over 200 points, a significant decline. The S&P 500 experienced a smaller loss, shedding 0.3%. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite managed to stay afloat, ending the day marginally above its flat line. This divergence between futures and the actual market close suggests some uncertainty among investors. Futures often reflect after-hours sentiment and trading activity. The positive movement in futures could indicate optimism about upcoming economic data or corporate earnings. However, the subsequent downturn during regular trading hours highlights the ongoing volatility and potential concerns about inflation and interest rates. The January Consumer Price Index report, a key measure of inflation, had a notable impact on market sentiment. The report revealed higher than expected inflation, which immediately raised concerns among investors. Higher inflation erodes the purchasing power of consumers and can lead to further interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve. This combination of factors can dampen economic growth and impact corporate profits, making investors wary. Looking ahead, investors are eagerly awaiting the release of more economic data. The Producer Price Index is scheduled to be released soon, offering insights into wholesale inflation. Additionally, the weekly jobless claims data will provide a snapshot of the labor market's health. These data points will be closely scrutinized for any indications of whether inflation is continuing to cool or if the Federal Reserve might maintain its hawkish stance on interest rates. Earnings season continues to unfold, bringing both surprises and disappointments. Reddit, the popular social media platform, experienced a significant stock drop after reporting its quarterly results. Despite exceeding earnings expectations, the company revealed disappointing user figures. Reddit stock plummeted over 13% in after-hours trading as investors reacted to the news of slowing user growth. On a more positive note, Dutch Bros, the drive-through coffee chain, saw its stock surge after reporting strong earnings. The company exceeded analysts' expectations for both earnings and same-store sales, indicating robust demand for its coffee and beverages. Dutch Bros' stock soared approximately 25% in after-hours trading as investors cheered the positive results. These contrasting earnings reports highlight the importance of factors beyond just profitability. Investors are also carefully evaluating metrics like user growth, same-store sales, and guidance to gauge a company's long-term health and potential. The Dow Jones Industrial Average's notable decline was primarily driven by a handful of heavy-hitting stocks. 5 companies in particular accounted for almost all of the index's 225-point loss. Caterpillar, Home Depot, United Health Group, Sherwin-Williams, and Amazon all experienced significant drops in their stock prices, weighing heavily on the Dow's performance. These declines could be attributed to a variety of factors, including company-specific news, broader economic concerns, or profit-taking after recent gains. Investors should continue to monitor these companies closely for any further developments or announcements that could impact their stock prices. As we move deeper into earnings season, investors will be keeping a close eye on upcoming economic data releases, including the Producer Price Index and jobless claims. These reports will provide further clues about the direction of inflation and the potential path of interest rates. Additionally, earnings reports from other major companies, including Airbnb, Coinbase, and Palo Alto Networks, are on the horizon. The market is likely to remain volatile as investors digest this influx of information.